Hello everyone, welcome to Irrational Math Academy. In this video, we'll be solving trigonometric questions. Let's start. Here, what they give, cos A they give. So whenever you see this one and sin B they give, they are asking us to find out what sin A plus B value. So first of all, first thing you have to do is first to draw the triangle. Okay, draw the triangle. Once you draw the triangle, this is my A. This is my A. Cos A. Cos A means what? Base upon hypotenuse. Base upon cos theta means base upon hypotenuse. What is my base here? 5. Hypotenuse is what? 13. And I need to know this side. Okay, this side. Once I know this side, I can find any other ratio. Okay, so what I'll do, how to know this one? Pythagoras theorem will apply here. What is that? Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here we already know hypotenuse, we already know base. I want a perpendicular. So perpendicular equal to plus b square, right? If I transpose to this side, it becomes what? H square minus b square. P square equal to hypotenuse how much? 13 whole square minus b equal to what? 5. 5 whole square. One thing you can do is a square minus b square means what? A plus b, a plus b, a minus b. This is one formula you can use, or directly 13 square minus 5 square you can do it. So 13 plus 5, 18 into 13 minus 5. So how much will get? 13 minus 5 means what will get? 8 will get. So next 18 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 6 14. So what I got? 144 I got. P square equal to 144. P equal to under root of 144, that is 12. Okay, 14. Okay, 144 is nothing but 12 square. 12 square, right? Square and root gets cancelled. I'll get 12. So now I got this ratio. Right on here. 12. Next, sin B also they give, right? So draw one more triangle. Whose angle is B? Take this as B. Now, sine theta, if it is sine theta, we know that perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here, what is the perpendicular they give? 4, hypotenuse what? 5. Same thing, we don't know the base. So what I'll do here again? Directly I'll do here now. B square equal to h square minus p square. H square, okay, h is how much? 5 square minus p is 4 square. This time what I'll do, instead of applying a square minus b square formula, I'll directly do it. Easy one, right? 5 square is what? 25 minus 4 square is what? 16. So this will give me 4 plus 5, 9. No? That is what? B square equal to 9. B equal to what? Under root of 9. Under root of 9 I can write it as what? 3 square. Square root gets cancelled, 3. Okay, this is what I got. Now they are asking us to find out what? Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B, if you remember the formula, that is what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos A sin B. So what I want? Sin A value I need, cos B value, cos A sin. So from here, cos A they give, right? Sin A value we can easily find out. That is 12 by 13. And here sin B they give. Cos B value I can easily find out. Cos B equal to 3 upon 5. Let me substitute these values. So sin A is how much? 12 upon 13. 12 upon 13 into cos B value. Cos B is what? 3 upon 5 plus cos A value. Cos A value is 5 upon 13 into sin B value. Sin B value is how much? 4 upon 5. Now if you see this part, what happens? 36 12 into 3, 36 upon 13 into 5, 65 plus 5 fours are 20 upon 13 into 5, 65. Now denominators are same, right? Okay, when there is a fraction, denominators are same or like fraction. When there, I'll take the common denominator and I'll add the numerator part. 36 plus 20. So what I'll get here? 56 upon 65. Therefore, the answer for sin A plus B value is 56 upon 65. Done. Next question. Here, tan value. So, solution. Tan A value is given tan, you have to write down an exam like tan A value is what, 1 by 2, and tan B equal to 1 by 3 is given. Now what we'll do is, they asked us to show that A plus B equal to pi by 4 or 45 degrees we have to prove. First thing what I'll do is, okay, I'll apply the tan formula. What is the tan A plus B formula? Tan A plus B formula is what? Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Just substitute the values because we know tan A value and tan B value, right? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Now let us solve this one. What I'll do here, I'll cross multiply here. 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 1, 2 upon this 2 you have to multiply. 2 into 3, 6 I'll get by. Again, 1 by 6 will get up. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 6 is there. Let me continue here. So what happens here? 5 by 6 upon here 6 into 1, 6, 6 my, okay, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 by 6. If you see here, okay, 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6, it is like A by A. What will you get here? 1. If it is 2 by 2, what will you get here? 1. Same thing. Tan A plus B equal to 1 I got. Now what I'll do is, if I apply tan inverse on both sides, if I apply tan inverse on both sides, tan inverse, okay, on both sides if I apply, this is what I'll get here. Tan inverse and tan gets cancelled. A plus B equal to tan inverse 1. Okay. When we'll get tan 1? We'll get when tan 45. Tan 45 is nothing but what? Pi by 4. Okay. Remember here, tan inverse of one value is pi by 4. And they asked us to prove that A plus B equal to pi by 4. Done. Next one. We have to show that 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 1. They gave the condition. What is the condition they gave? A plus B equal to 45. So we'll prove that given, what is given here? A plus B equal to 45 is given. Now what I'll do is apply tan on both sides. Apply, okay, tan on both sides. So if I apply tan on both sides, what happens here? Tan A plus B equal to tan 45 degrees. Here it is what? Degrees here. Now what I'll do is I'll use the formula, tan formula. What is the tan formula? Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. And what we know here, tan 45 is nothing but what? 1. Now, if I take this denominator part to this side, what happens here? Okay, tan A plus tan B equal to 1 into this one. If I multiply, what will get? 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, let me draw this line here. Now, minus tan A tan B, if I transpose to this side, if I transpose this to this side, what happens here? Okay, tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B equal to 1. Now, what I'll do is tan A and here tan A into tan B is there, right? From that, I'll take a tan A as common. Let me write down at one place. Tan A plus tan A in, okay, tan A tan B plus tan B. You can take B also common, no problem. I'm taking tan A as common. So how to take common is, one thing you do is tan A into 1 you write down here, tan A into tan B is there, right? If I take tan A common, if I take tan A common, what would be left here? 1 would be left here. What is the sign here? Plus sign right down here. Okay, I took tan A common, right? When I took tan A common, I'll be left with what? Tan B plus tan B equal to 1. Next one thing, what I'll do is add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. When I add 1 on both sides, this becomes tan A into 1 plus tan B, okay, plus here 1. Okay, you can put anywhere, no problem. Here I am putting here so that it becomes easy for me to identify here. Okay, here I added tan here. This side also I'll add tan here. 1 plus 1, it becomes what? 2. Now look at here. This part and this part, if you observe this one, what is common in both? 1 plus tan B is common, right? So if I take 1 plus tan B common, if I take 1 plus tan B common into what is left here? Tan A would be left here. Here, what is the sign? Plus, what would be left here? 1 would be left here. Equal to what? 2. That is what they asked us to prove. Hence proved. Okay. I hope you understood this one. And if you are having problem in understanding, let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.